What's up everybody, Fritz here. Are you looking for the best phone mount for your BMW, but you don't want to spend upwards of $50, sometimes even $60 just for a phone mount? Well, in today's video, we're going to go over what might just be considered the best phone mount on the market. And the best part about it, it only costs $10. Let's get into the video. Now, when it comes to phone mounts, I've tried a bunch. I've tried the CD ones that mess up the felt liner in the CD holder. I've also tried the ones that you see all around Instagram that aren't magnetic and that can wirelessly charge your phone, but then the suction material rubber thing degrades in like a month and then you end up throwing it away and wasting your money. I've even tried, well, no, I've never tried a vent one, because why would I solve one problem to create another? When it's really hot out here, I need the AC. When it's really cold, I want the heat. I don't want the phone in the way, taking up all the heat and cold from me as the driver. So no, I would never use a vent clip. And speaking of problems, the 2 Series has a unique mounting issue, unlike the 3 Series that has an additional column right here where you can place your phone mount. The 2 Series doesn't have that, so we need to find another place where we can mount our phones, but not block the controls that we want to have accessible as we're driving. So that means mounting options that want us to place the phone here, here, and here are all out, because they block either one or several controls, even the screen, as you see here, or it's blocked by the steering wheel. So visibility isn't good here. An interesting one for those of you who never have cups in your car, or have the automatic transmission, is this lip right here. It's at a relatively good viewing angle. It's going to be within reach when you're on the shifter. Even if you're on the automatic shifter, I'm pretty sure your hand is resting here every once in a while, and you can operate your phone. As long as you don't mind that low viewing angle, it's not a bad option. But because I do often have cups in here, and I do have the manual transmission, so when I shift, my hand would actually run into my phone, I opted for having it right here. It's relatively the same location as the more expensive Renpho mounts that cost $50 or $60. And this design actually looks pretty good. But more importantly than that is that I can run my wires relatively close to the mount. This one is for my fast charger. This one is for my Android Auto that's connected to the Android head unit. And it's not the cleanest thing in the world, but it's convenient and it's more or less out of the way. The thing that I really like about this design in the 2 Series is that it's really clean, small, and minimalistic. I hate those designs that have that twisting lock collar for the ball joint. This one is just nice and sleek, really fitting in with the interior of the car. Now, my dad's F30, we went with a different mount option just because of where we were placing it, and the look and feel of that mount fits in that location in the F30 better than this one does. But also, that shiny finish that you have on that phone mount holds the phone a little bit more strongly than the matte finish. Now, the phones are primarily held in by strong magnets in conjunction with the metal plate that the phone mounts come with. If you're using it with a phone case, I would suggest that you play around with the position in your phone case before you lock it into place. Now, these aren't the only 2 mounts that SCOSCHE provides. They've actually been in the phone mount game for a long time, and I'm sure that they're going to have one to match the theme of your car as well as your personalized style. But this particular mount that I have in the F22 actually costs upwards of $20 to $30. But I did say that you could get it for $10, and here's how. Everybody's buying these mounts from Amazon, trying them on their car to see if they're going to fit in the right place that they want or if the magnet's strong enough. Honestly, I just went on Amazon and I bought a used one. Because it was used, the price was significantly dropped, and that's exactly how I got it for $10. Now, there are some mounts that come for $10 right out of the gate, and if those are the ones that you want, congratulations, you got one that fits your style for $10 brand new. But if you feel confident buying in the used marketplace, then this is a good way to get a great phone mount that's going to look good in the interior of your BMW, all for $10. But if you feel that there is a better mounting option, or if there's a better mounting location on the F22 that's going to give you full access to your controls and have good visibility at that $10 mark, Please let me know down in the comment section below, as well as any other questions that you might have. I'm even going to leave the link for this phone mount down in the description. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I'll see all of you in the next one.